Hi, this is Simon from Pidgeon Tools. Today I will be going through my process of creating a large-scale hard surface model from start to finish. Keep in mind that this tutorial is not a complete step-by-step guide, as it does not fully focus on the literal modeling process, but more on the workflow and how to keep your model consistent. I will, however, also share some modeling tricks and tips. So this series will consist of multiple shorter videos, so you're able to follow along nicely with these, and make sure to take some breaks in between because we have quite a lot to cover. Here you can see an overview of the entire series. There's a total of 8 chapters. We will start off with the references chapter, which will cover what makes a good reference, where to get references, and so on. From there we will immediately jump into the modeling process, which consists of 5 chapters. That being base shapes, primary shapes, secondary shapes, tertiary shapes, and polishing. After the modeling process we will also go through the UV unwrapping process, however keep in mind that this part will be kept rather shortly. The final chapter is the presentation. Here we will be going through on how to properly present your UV map and your geometry.